We are just going to do a quick video on replacing the intake air boot on a fuel-injected Fiat Spider 2000. And this is actually a new boot I just installed, but I'll show how to remove it and put it back. The reason I was replacing the old one is this little crack right here by where the idle air valve connects. And once I removed it, I realized that there was a giant crack right there. This was at the bottom, so this was invisible with the boot installed. And that's a huge air leak. So to replace it is fairly easy. We have two big clamps at the airflow meter and at the throttle body, and then the connection to the auxiliary air valve. We can either remove it here or remove it here or loosen both, but we just undo this clamp. And the old hose was shrunk quite a bit because I had to open up these clamps quite a bit to fit them over the new hose. Probably easiest if we pull this off first. And these hoses are the same as a booster hose, so it's not a bad idea to replace them at the same time as the boot is replaced. Okay, and now we just remove it from here. And it's loose, and now we just have to remove this because this would be installed in the new hose, and of course this is already new, so I'm just going to install everything back. When these are old, they become rock hard and they break very easily. Let's be sure that it's on all the way around. Make sure this is even. Make sure we don't have any. We have actually a plug wire that's stuck under there. So there, now it's free. Okay, it's free. Make sure this is even. And sometimes this goes on better if there is some lubrication, maybe a little bit of WD-40, just a tiny bit. Let's not forget about this one. There, all the clamps are tight and it's secure.